Okay, I'm a jeweler, and I want to show you something. When you have a wedding band that's this wide, which is not terribly wide, but look what happened. I got this callus going. So when I go to pick up something, it goes and bends right into it. And it makes it hurt, because you can see that it's starting to crack right there, and it really hurts. So I actually had to remove this band off of my hand and get that over that. And yesterday it was easier. I didn't have all this water game, but there, I took it off. Now, as you can see, I started putting some hand lotion on this yesterday to try to heal this up because it was cracking. And I think the best thing to do in this situation is to get a wedding band that's 2 or 3 millimeters wide as a substitute to wear while this heals up. Using hand lotion, do whatever you need to do, but heal this up. Now, the women, they wear about 2 to 3 millimeter together with both their rings, usually. Not all the time, but usually. So I'm going to go ahead and run a special, and I always recommend that you buy 2 wedding bands. If you want to buy gold, that's fine, but buy one that is for when you have problems, so that it's thinner in diameter, so you don't have this going on. And when you do, you can go ahead and substitute. Because us guys, we do a lot of lifting. See the calluses? We do a lot of lifting. And that cuts in. So that'll give you opportunity to heal, or you can put a Band-Aid over it if you want to give it time to heal. But I suggest getting a couple wedding bands. One if it's wide, like mine is, and then one that is smaller in width to allow this to heal, which is what I'm going to do now. So just to let you know, this is something that will happen, and get you bands so you can substitute.